Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the asset and confirming access. You should have a clean PNG or SVG at about 800 x 800, transparent background. This preserves edges. Once done, sign into YouTube Studio and pick the channel you'll change. Make sure your account is verified and two-step authentication is enabled so changes save reliably. Now open Channel Customization. That's where the logo and branding settings live, and keep the file ready for upload. Next, you handle the actual upload and placement. Go to YouTube Studio, choose Customization and the Branding tab, upload your logo file there. You'll see crop and preview tools. Use them to center and check safe areas for the 16:9 and mobile view so nothing gets cut off. Set when the logo displays if you want it as a watermark, then save the draft. Make sure to preview across devices because desktop versus mobile render differently, and adjust if needed before publishing. To finish, publish and verify the change immediately. Click Publish in Customization. The update propagates but may take a few minutes across caches. If the logo appears blurry, re-export at higher resolution or use SVG if YouTube supports it. That preserves crisp edges. If you don't see changes, clear your browser cache, test in an incognito window, or check on another device. If propagation still fails, sign out and back in. Then re-upload to force a fresh update.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.